Okay, first time on the pier. So, have we caught anything? Any fish?
Don't know yet.
Don't know? Beautiful. I have never been on this pier before.
There was a concert up there earlier. This is still going on?
It's still going on. Do I go ahead and take the head off?
Yeah.
Alien!
The head is like over a third of it. So you see it right there?
Yeah.
So you just pinch down, pull this off, throw that overboard, and take a pinch of about a piece of the thickness of your thumb, like that.
Yeah.
That's what you're going to use for the bait.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Here, you want to hold that? And I'll try to... You're okay. It doesn't matter. Ah! Oh, that's gross. Okay, what do I do with the head?
Throw it overboard.
Just over here?
No, that
Where?
way. Just throw it.
Oh, just throw it. Here's the little shrimpy. I just pulled the head off. Okay, I like that part. I don't understand the rest of this.
Alright, we need the pole and the lights.
Okay, here's the hook.
Let's see, where's the...
Somebody got one. I'm gonna hook it real good.
Fishing!
I'm fishing.
And on the first day,
I'm baiting, I'm fishing.
one kid speared another
Shrimp
kid
hands all over your
through
face.
the neck.
That's gross, really.
I don't understand how long you're supposed to wait.
I don't know, let's check on the boys.
Boys, how long do you wait until you reel it in?
Usually 5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Yeah, because once it hits the water, they all fight it.
Alright, let's go ahead and reel it in and see if we caught anything.
You owe me $5. That's all this for doing the cannonball in the hot tub.
Let's see, do we have bait? No, we do not. It's the little light in the back.
Eat like